what drove you to start ActivateWork? Because that's quite different from kind of managing a giant fund to doing what ActivateWork does.
Well, first of all, what ActivateWork does is we help individuals achieve economic mobility and prosperity through tuition-free IT training and credentialing and employment placement. So we are all about advancing economic mobility. And I like to say that there is a bit of similarity between my first career, which was helping rich people get richer, and my now career, which is helping those who are furthest away from opportunity becoming successful.
Okay. So, and how long has ActivateWork been sort of running?
I founded ActivateWork in 2016.
Okay. All right. So I know you talked about the mission, and we have the details up here, but let's just talk really specifically, because you said a couple things which are interesting. One is, if I'm an individual and I'm looking to move into IT, you're not looking for people who have IT experience necessarily, right? You can be from a broad range of different backgrounds.
That's right. Actually, most of the individuals that we serve represent a very diverse group of Coloradans. They range in age from 18 to 71 was our oldest graduate. Most do not come from formal CompSci degrees or formal IT training, but they have a demonstrated passion for computers. Many of them come out of gaming, or they've been taking apart computers and the family Wi-Fi and LAN for quite a long time.
Okay. And then the other thing that was interesting there was you said tuition free. How does that work? That sounds like a bait and switch kind of tactic for people.
Well, basically, we're free to our learners, completely free to our learners, because our goal is economic mobility. So we are looking to serve individuals who are not economically prosperous yet. Typically, the people that we're working with have had careers maybe in customer service, just never had the opportunity or could never afford to go to college, and would be what I would call underemployed or employed in a career that is not their ultimate dream, which is IT.
Okay. All right. So this sounds great. Just maybe give us some examples of individuals who you've seen come through and succeed, through the program that you've created.
Sure. The people that we serve are very diverse, as I mentioned. So almost 70% are actually people of color. 22% are new Americans or immigrants and refugees, like my parents, and 32% are women. We serve individuals who come from all sorts of backgrounds. Customer service is common. We'll serve individuals who came out of the construction trades, for example. So they like to build things and realize that their ultimate passion lies behind a computer desk. We also serve people who are in hospitality and retail. We've served people who came to us out of teaching, who were maybe elementary school teachers and realized they had a passion for computers. So a whole swath of individuals.
And I know we've got the link here to the site. It lists some of the courses. Just give us an idea of kind of roughly what your courses cover and what specialties people can move into post that.
Right. So we train in two different ways. We train in very rigorous 15-week boot camps that are 7 hours of classroom training a day, plus 2 to 3 hours of homework a night. So short-term rigorous boot camps. Those boot camps can offer anything that ranges from IT support, so that's the CompTIA A+ certification, as well as security fundamentals, moving on towards a Network Plus certification. We also train in cloud, for example, AWS Restart. We train in quality assurance test engineer, and we also offer training through registered apprenticeships. So IT apprenticeships that are structured, paid to learn opportunities in DevOps, in software engineering, and in cyber.